Life is a beautiful journey, but it can also be filled with challenges and obstacles that test our resilience and strength. We all experience stress, worry, and emotional baggage that can sometimes feel overwhelming. These burdens can weigh us down and prevent us from living our best lives, making it hard to find joy and fulfillment. What if there was a simple yet powerful way to find inner peace and transform our lives, allowing us to release these burdens? There is an ancient practice called Ho'oponopono that offers a path to healing and transformation, helping us reconnect with our true selves. It is based on the belief that we are all interconnected and that taking responsibility for our thoughts and emotions can create positive change in ourselves and the world around us, fostering a sense of unity and compassion. Ho'oponopono teaches us that we have the power to heal our lives by healing our thoughts, encouraging us to embrace a mindset of love and forgiveness. It is a journey of self-love, forgiveness, and gratitude, guiding us towards a more harmonious and fulfilling existence. Ho'oponopono originated in Hawaii as a way to resolve conflicts and restore harmony within families and communities. This ancient practice has been passed down through generations, preserving the wisdom and traditions of the Hawaiian people. The word itself means to make right or to correct an error. It embodies the essence of reconciliation and the importance of setting things right. Traditionally, it involved a gathering of family members who would work together to identify and resolve issues through prayer, discussion, and forgiveness. This communal effort was essential in maintaining the social fabric of the community. The beauty of Ho'oponopono lies in its simplicity. It is a practice that anyone can adopt, regardless of their background or beliefs. It does not require elaborate rituals or complex practices. Instead, it focuses on the power of intention and the sincerity of the heart. At its core, it involves repeating 4 powerful phrases: "I'm sorry," "Please forgive me," "Thank you," and "I love you." These phrases are simple yet profound, offering a pathway to healing and reconciliation. These phrases may seem simple, but they carry deep meaning. Each phrase is a step towards personal and collective healing. They are tools for taking responsibility for our thoughts and emotions, seeking forgiveness, expressing gratitude, and cultivating love. By embracing these principles, we can transform our relationships and our lives. The transformative power of Ho'oponopono has been documented in countless real-life stories, showcasing its profound impact on individuals and communities across India. People from diverse backgrounds have reported remarkable healings in their relationships, health, and overall well-being, often experiencing changes they never thought possible. One woman shared how practicing Ho'oponopono helped her heal a strained relationship with her mother, which had been a source of pain for many years. By consistently repeating the 4 phrases, she was able to release resentment and cultivate forgiveness, leading to a profound emotional release. Over time, their relationship transformed into one of love and understanding, bringing them closer than ever before. Another individual reported significant improvements in their physical health after incorporating Ho'oponopono into their daily routine, noticing changes in their body and mind. They experienced reduced stress, improved sleep, and increased energy levels, which enhanced their overall quality of life and daily happiness. Practicing Ho'oponopono is simple and can be integrated into your daily routine. Find a serene space where you can sit or lie down comfortably. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Bring to mind the person or situation that is causing you stress or discomfort. Repeat the 4 phrases slowly and with intention. "I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you." Continue repeating these phrases for as long as you feel is necessary. You may notice your thoughts and emotions shifting as you practice. Thank you, and hope to see your evolved version soon.